In our previous video, Understanding the WattBike Polar View, we explained how to read one of the most popular features of the WattBike, its unique pedaling technique analysis tool. But why is pedaling technique important, and how do you move from an inefficient figure-of-8 shape to a more rounded elite cyclist shape? Improving your pedaling technique can help you improve your power output and enhance your endurance, which ultimately results in more speed. If you're looking to make marginal gains, try following one of our top 10 tips to improve your pedaling technique. Make sure your bike is set up correctly. An incorrect cycling position can affect both the downstroke and upstroke phases, resulting in an inefficient pedaling technique. As a simple guide, you'll need to make sure your saddle is in line with the top of your hip bone, and you should aim for a 90-degree angle between your arms and your torso when you are sat on the bike. Try to apply force evenly with each leg. Your left-right leg balance should be as close to 50-50 as possible. Invest in a good pair of cycling shoes. Without cycling shoes, you will find it difficult to implement the full power and recovery phases effectively. Try not to stand up. Standing up on the pedals can compromise your pedaling technique, making it very difficult to maintain power through the top and bottom of each pedal turn. Get the right resistance setting. A figure-of-8 shape may indicate your resistance is too high, forcing you to concentrate solely on the downstroke. Lower the resistance level and concentrate on scraping mud off the ball of your foot at the bottom of the pedal revolution. Ensure the Polar View screen is displayed on the WattBike performance monitor. This will constantly remind you to focus on effective pedaling. Analyze your data in the WattBike Hub. If you have a Bluetooth-enabled monitor and Bluetooth smartphone, you can analyze your Polar View data in the WattBike Hub. You will be able to analyze your Polar View graph, angle of peak force, and left-right leg balance throughout your entire session. Try a specific cycling effectiveness workout. During these sessions, you should concentrate on smoothing out your Polar View shape. To start with, this will require a lot of concentration, so focus on it for short periods of time and then relax. It is easier to hold a good shape on the harder gears, so begin with the lightest gear available, and then, only when you have mastered that, move up to the next gear. For example, try 1 minute focus on shape, then 2 minutes easy pedaling for between 6 and 10 sets. Then move on to 2 minutes focus on shape, followed by 2 minutes easy pedaling between 5 and 8 times. Finally, once you've mastered that, try 3 minutes focus on shape, then 2 minutes easy pedaling 4 to 6 times. Experiment with different cadence and resistance settings to develop good pedal technique on your bike across all terrain, uphill, downhill, and on the flat. You should work on sustaining an improved pedaling technique shape on different resistance levels and at different cadences. Keep practicing. Regularly include a session in your training plan where you refocus on pedaling technique. Now you know how to improve your pedaling technique, hop on a WattBike and see if you can transform from an ineffective figure-of-8 shape to a more rounded elite shape. For more related videos on how to use the WattBike, visit the WattBike website.